Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a complete and honest comparison of OpenClaw versus N8N, including their features, pros, cons, pricing, and which one is actually better depending on your needs. First, let's understand the core difference, because this is where most people get confused. OpenClaw is an AI agent, while N8N is a workflow automation tool. OpenClaw focuses on intelligent automation, where the AI decides what to do based on context, while N8N follows fixed step-by-step workflows that you design manually. Starting with OpenClaw, it's designed as a conversational AI agent. You can literally give it a task in natural language, and it will try to figure out how to complete it. It has persistent memory, meaning it remembers past conversations and can build on them over time. This makes it very powerful for tasks like research, automation, or managing workflows without needing to define every step manually. Another strong feature is autonomy. OpenClaw can act proactively, monitor situations, and make decisions on its own. It also integrates with messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Slack, making it feel like a real assistant rather than just a tool. But there are downsides. OpenClaw can be unpredictable because it relies on AI reasoning, which means results may vary. It also requires technical setup like Docker, and security concerns have been raised in some cases. Plus, it has fewer built-in integrations compared to traditional automation tools. Now, let's talk about N8N. This is a workflow automation platform where you build automations using a visual editor. You connect nodes like triggers, actions, and conditions to create a clear flow. For example, when a new email arrives, send a message or update a database. One of the biggest advantages of N8N is control and predictability. Everything works exactly as you design it, which makes it reliable for business processes and repetitive tasks. It also supports hundreds of integrations and allows custom code, making it very flexible for developers. Another benefit is scalability. N8N workflows can handle large volumes of data and are easier to debug because you can see each step clearly. It's also open source and can be self-hosted for free, which is a big advantage for budget users. However, N8N also has limitations. It doesn't have built-in intelligence like an AI agent, so you have to define every step manually. There's no natural conversation interface, and it doesn't remember context unless you build that yourself using databases. Now, let's quickly compare pricing. OpenClaw is usually self-hosted, with costs coming from servers and AI model usage, which can vary depending on how much you use it. N8N, on the other hand, is free if self-hosted, while its cloud version starts at a fixed monthly price and scales based on workflow executions. So, which one is better? Honestly, they're not direct competitors. If you want intelligent automation, flexible decision-making, and a more human-like experience, OpenClaw is the better choice. But if you need structured workflows, reliability, and full control over every step, N8N is the smarter option. OpenClaw is like an AI assistant that thinks and adapts, while N8N is like a powerful automation engine that executes exactly what you build. The best choice depends on whether you need flexibility and intelligence or structure and reliability. Subscribe the channel for more videos.